Country people, finally Orjiakor don break silence too, and wetin she talk go shock you. Ruby don expose a lot of secret. She talk say Junior Pope tell am a lot of things before he kpai. Say a lot of people don dey pursue this guy since. They don pursue am spiritually, they no get am. They pursue am mentally, they no still get am. They come send people to do am physically. Wetin be this? My own problem be say wetin this innocent man do people? Such a very jovial person. Wetin he do person who no wan make e live for this life? Now what is their gain? This life don dey fear me cause you no even know who be who for this life again. Hey God, make we read wetin Orjiakor talk. She talk say, for the first time in my life, I questioned my maker, God. Shattered, pain, bitter. To everyone that buy you emotionally, to everyone that buy you mentally, to everyone that buy you spiritually, and to those they use to execute it physically, we never go unpunished. Abba Swag, my brother from another mother, like I fondly called you, even though you kept on saying we are from the same womb. My own blood, you are forever my hero, but I'm broken. Orjiakor and Junior Pope's relationship, they far better than being just friends. They are more like brothers and sisters. Seriously, that's why the thing pain Orjiakor very well. Cause to her, nobody will understand her the way Junior Pope understood her. Nobody will be there for her. Nobody will care for her the way he did for her and her daughter. And I understand. Seriously. My home be say, if Junior Pope's death no be natural, may all his perpetrators be brought to book. May all of them perish and suffer a more painful one than Junior Pope did. Amen. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Now. Bye.